Well, I think the first game there in Bosnia, I think we did a very good game. I think we controlled the game all game until this action with the red card, and then this game is 2 games. It's 120 minutes, so we all focus on tomorrow, and we are ready for tomorrow. No, I think we have to be with more determination in the final third, and that's it. We are trying to make these final details to be ready for tomorrow, and I think that's it. I think also they didn't have any chances in the first half, and no more. I think we are full focus on this game tomorrow. It's a historical game for us, and we can make history here in Ljubljana with all our fans. For us, it has a lot of importance of us. I think we need all the city with our team, and this will be a very good game for tomorrow for us, and we need all the fans with us, and that's it. We are full focus on tomorrow, and with the support of our fans, for sure we will overcome this result.
In one match of football happen many things. Every game is very different. We all prepare to try to be dominant team because it's our style, and we show this face. Even playing first leg in this tight away against an important team, we show this aim we have. So this is the first step for us is to keep our style and our spirit and the way to play that we believe. So this is the first, and we are gonna do the same. So we don't expect a very different game. We are gonna come to the pitch the same, but for sure, home with our fans, we are gonna find another different environment that is also helpful for us, because these players, they deserve to play in this kind of scenarios with the stands full of fans, and also the fans, they must know that they are gonna be part of the result, because in these games they play. These kind of games, the fans, they play. This is extra effort, extra support, extra confidence to the players during the whole game that help them to perform better. So I expect this is going to happen, because I have the 100% confidence in our players. The way we play the first leg game with this personality, without any fear, home with the confidence we have, I think it's going to be even better our image. But football is a game of mistakes. Happen many times that the mistakes decide the final result. So the team that is able to commit the lower mistakes and the smallers, normally they are closer to the wins. We paid the bill in the first leg game. We talk about this, it's finished. We took the lesson, we learned, and we focus the next game with the same, to try to don't make this kind of mistakes that give a big advantage to the opponents, and just focus in the things that we know we have to do to overcome our opponent.
They didn't tire, so they will try to play.
No, I expect the team, and there are no teams that they try only to defend 90 minutes. Football, all the teams, they have the possibility to attack. And I don't see never one stat that one team has 100% of possession. So it's impossible to see one game with one team defending 90 minutes. I don't know. This is clear. So for sure they will try to get their advantage. I saw how they celebrate the goal that they scored, playing the second half with one player more, and they celebrate like they achieved something very important. So that means also that they feel that they are facing a good team, that Olympia is a good team, is a dangerous team, and I think that 1-0 is never a result to think that the things are done. This is if I were in the other side. This is not any problem, because we have full confidence in our players. They know perfectly the match plan. They have the personality to overcome all the situations that happen during the game. And the most important also, I have full confidence in my staff. So we will deal this with the staff like normal. Happens sometimes in football this, and it's not gonna be any problem to continue the same like we are doing in every match.
Will Giannis Tolois be taking your role officially on the bench?
I'm not sure how these things are. For sure, the staff is gonna take the role to communicate to the players the things that we need to communicate in the game. But I'm not sure to tell if we have to say one name or not. I'm not sure about this. In this point that you are mentioned, yes, but for us, we didn't make any throwback to that game. We are focusing the present. That is part of the past. That was a very, very, very nice memories we have from then, and it seems like it was many years ago, and it's only 6 months ago. But for us, this is not the reference. The reference is the present, how we are now. I think that the team has improved a lot. We have made a very long way from that point to this to improve the team in all the patterns, attack and defense, and we feel that we are a stronger team now. You know, also that is, as I said before, with the issue with the changes, with the rotations, this question, you can change the name of Brest and you can put another players, because we are very proud of the work they are doing from the beginning of the season, and we are seeing a big improvement in the most of the players, I can say all. So now you highlight Brest, but we can highlight all, in my opinion. They all are working very, very good. I always repeat this. At the end of every match, I take advantage of my press conferences to say thank you to the players for the behavior they are having during the trainings. But you know, because also I highlight this many times, we are not training in the conditions that we would like to train because of the pitch that we have for training, but they are training hard, they are not complaining, and we are having very, very few cases of injuries. That also, this is a lot of credit and respect for the fitness coaches and also for our medical team. So everybody is doing very good job. Alex has said, we all know that we are facing one historical opportunity with this game. So this is the kind of games that all the players, they like to play. As coach, all is the same feelings, because we want to make important things. We are not here, I told you from the very first day I arrived here, with the aim to win. So to win these playoffs for us is very important, because it should be the first time for the club to reach the next round, and this is something that is important achievement. So this is big motivation, and also to enjoy these scenarios, because these are different matches. We know now that the stands, they are going to be full, and for us that means all. Our fans are going to be there, feeling part of the game, and we want to share with them this night, and hopefully we can end with a good result to celebrate. We are going to give all to try it, always respecting our opponent, that we know that they come here with the same aim that us, and only one of the two teams can pass.